Hi, it's me, Trixie Mattel, and if you're new here, I'm me, and I'm back on my bull. So, if you're new to this channel, we did a whole series cooking with easy bake ovens, and it had some highs and some deep lows. I literally almost just threw up. I cannot put that in my mouth. This was actually something sent in to me by one of my incredible viewers. Basically, they reached out and said, I got this like Pizza Hut oven in my basement, and I know it was in their basement because this box is marked basement. This is from 1976, I believe. Makes real pizzas. I mean, this is a long time ago. These kids are both dead. Coleco Industries. This is not an Easy Bake Oven Kenner product. I'm assuming like any toy, when Easy Bake was a hit, everybody else tried to copy it. And this is like the Pizza Hut branded, as seen on TV, ooky spooky for boys and girls ages 8 and up. Good thing I just had a birthday. It came with a light bulb in it, and it's supposed to use 60 watt, and I really don't even know. And then it came with this. I guess when this cooks successfully, I can just stick this on my patio and start a small business. If you guys would walk by my house and eat a pizza this big that I made in this, please comment below. Oh, wait a minute, is it a? No, because it came with this, which is like, you know, when you go to fancy restaurants where they cook pizza, they have these big wooden pizza pushers. It gives instructions on how to make the dough, but we don't have that here, so. Since we learned in the first Easy Bake Oven video that you do not eat 30-year-old packets of food, today we're gonna make something from scratch. From scratch, meaning I'm using a mix. Every Italian here, Lady Gaga, I know you're watching this, I didn't have it brought to my door, and that's what makes me a hero. Oh, by the way, before we get started, you know my channel's completely free, and we make videos every week. So you should subscribe. Free gay shit for you. Caution, never use the sign as a paddle. Good thing I read that. Well, why would they make it that shape? I really love pizza, but as somebody who's 31, I can't really indulge as much. But I will say this. I do a lot of photo shoots with Katya and a lot of video shoots with Katya, and when they ask for lunch, she always wants pizza, and I'm always like, no, I should be eating healthy. But I just go in. And Katya eats pizza with pepperoni and banana peppers, and that's it. She's a creature. But today we have some, this is Rao's. Smells good. Rao's pizza sauce. Please don't murder me, but in Hollywood I live just a stone's throw from the real Rao's restaurant. We have some mozzarella cheese from the Pavilions. We have some red, orange, and yellow bell peppers. And then this is Bisquick, which if your mom's white trash like mine was, you can use Bisquick to make waffles, pancakes, pizza crust, really anything. So I'm gonna start by attempting to make crust. I wanted to try to make crust from scratch, but the gays in LA are in quarantine and they're baking so fiercely that you still cannot get yeast at my grocery store. It's working.
Is this one bigger than that one?
No, they're all the same size. If you guys want to know if my boyfriend likes to fight me, let's talk about the fact that he left the room to get this pan to tell me that they're different sizes. They are different sizes. Shut the f*** up. You know what? You know what I don't like about doing these Easy Bake videos? David's really the breakaway star, aren't you, with your little snarky sides.
Was I right?
David was right. And then, you know, it's all about authenticity. So when you're making a pizza, it's good to get it really flat. And then, you know, you can throw in some Italian words. Badab, you know, bandibi, lemonici. And then, you know, for a little extra style, behind the back. I just vacuumed, it's fine. It's fine. When I used to work in restaurants, I used to watch them roll out the dough and then they would dip a big paintbrush into like a vat of like spices and oil and they would like brush the dough with that. I will copy that technique today. I'm just gonna take a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, rich, thyme, that's kind of a lot. I also got some garlic salt. Of all the Easy Bake experiments, this is the one that I feel the most confident about. Famous last words. Lemonici, Ariane Grande. Okay, that's looking pretty good, right? I mean, it looks like a pizza. Next, we're gonna take some of our pizza sauce and begin to create a pizza. When I was in Italy, which I lived there from like age 9 to 15, we would always do a lot of pizzas. But in Italy, the Italian word for pizza is actually pizza. So we would kind of do that. Look, David, remember we used to go to this restaurant? No, it's not. You think? No. I think, I mean, you want it chunky, right? When you're making pizza, what is too much sauce? Yeah, chunky. I actually think it could use more sauce, but that's just me. Okay, now we're gonna put in some mozzarella. By the way, I apologize to the Italian community for me not being able to pronounce these words correctly. I know you have a cousin or an uncle who can break my legs. Pepperoncini, green pepper, pepper verde. It's looking good. So I think it's ready to put in the oven. Mike, maybe we can do a time lapse here. Tastes like my balls. Hi, I'm Pizza. A personal invitation for food, fun, for you, your family, from Pizza Hut restaurants. Pizza Hut restaurants are really a neat place to go for lunch, dinner, after a ball game, after the party, and when the family wants to enjoy a weekend together. Look how beautiful I am. Look. Maybe I'll take this and become like an amateur sign spinner. We have a chapter in our book about food, and I'll read you a little excerpt. Food is organized into a pyramid for a reason, because it's sacred. And just like abusing a pyramid, abusing food can lead to complications, including but not limited to a mummy's reincarnation. Imagine this hitting right in the nut. Ooh, that hurt. The cheese is melting. The cheese is melting. That's what it's looking like currently. I mean, not bad, right? You can see it's kind of melting. Could you smell it? It's really hard with these old ovens because when they get hot, they just kind of smell like burning hair a little bit. I'm still gonna eat it. Welcome. Would you like a pizza? We have pizza. Can you guys see me through here?
Yeah.
We all float down here, buddy.
If you could look in here, the pizza's becoming big, and I don't know how we're gonna get out of this hole. The pizza oven's gonna have to have a baby. We're gonna have to do a C-section. Maybe we can take the lid off it. A screwdriver? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna have to go in surgically. We need a plus sign. When I first moved into this condo, I was so like, ugh, I'm not buying tools. This is a gay house. I use these all the time. Okay, it's been 20. Well, let's, you know what, let's try to get it out. We could try to do what we did last time, which is like try to pour it out. I think it is coming. It's gonna be fine. Get up. Don't you this up for me, David. She's crowning. It's crowning. Bitch! Bitch!
Watch out, it's gonna be hot.
What's our pizza? It turned out. I brought a cutter. Look at it! It's great! Eat it.
Tastes like an easy baked pizza.
It's a little powdery.
Yeah.
I mean, the Bisquick doesn't make a fabulous crust. To be honest, every time I've made this pizza with Bisquick, we've been like a little drunk. That's the thing about pizza, it's kind of like ice cream. There's not really bad, it's just levels of good. Look, what if we were having a party and I put like little toothpicks in them?
If you serve this at an adult party, I would leave.
No, you wouldn't. Well, that was delicious. God, I'm full. My appetite is so huge, and that pizza was giant. Thank you guys for joining me for yet another surprise installment of our Easy Bake Oven series. If you thought this was interesting, well, the other ones are a lot less successful. And please subscribe, it's so free, and we're here every week. I hope that this lesson in portion control helps all of you out there. And if you can fit it in an Easy Bake Oven, you can dream it. Bye.